So it's time for your tropical punch. This one really invokes feelings of sunniness, it invokes feelings of well-being, and it's also going to help you with weight management. Let's put in some kale, packed full of iron, packed full of magnesium, high in fibre as well to regulate blood sugar levels. We're going to put in some cantaloupe, together with some mango to take away the taste of the kale, and the kale is also going to regulate the blood sugar levels of the fruit in there. Going to add some pear, calming and cleansing. To that, we've got some coconut milk, 200 mils, and then we're ready to go. I'm going to blitz it for about 30 seconds and you're really going to enjoy this one. You could also add in one of my formulas from Healthista, one of the lean whey diet proteins or the lean vegan formula if you like. So what we've got here is something that's got your vegetables in there, but because we've added the fruit, you're not going to taste that kale. Have a look at this. It's going to keep you nice and full all day.